Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going from how I look there to this beautiful heatless, glueless ponytail that we have here. We're going to be doing the bobby pin method, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this hairstyle is definitely heatless. You do not have to flat iron your hair or do anything like that. I literally got out the shower and I let it dry and now I'm brushing it into a ponytail. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow, and you know how much I love y'all. So don't forget to wait to the end. So don't worry about this ponytail being perfect. This is just our ponytail to anchor it, and then we're gonna gel it up and we're gonna replace it again. So we're just gonna use our scrunchies, and all of the links of the products that I'm using, the edge control and the spritz and everything will be linked down below. And let's get into this molding process, you guys. I know you guys like and shared my video already. Don't forget to turn your bell notification on so you won't miss another video. And now this is the edge control I've been using for like 2 months, you guys. It's $13 and it really comes in handy. You don't have to keep buying edge control. As you can see, I dipped into this quite a lot, and we're just gonna mold our hair in place. No heat, no glue needed, and this is gonna be a bobby pin method. So this is like literally perfect for the summertime. And yeah, you guys, let's get into this tutorial. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I got this edge control brush from Temu, y'all. I'm gonna do a Temu haul. Y'all know I'm coming with a Temu haul soon, cause that's my new favorite store, plus Shein. I don't know, I'm going crazy lately. But we're gonna brush our edges out, you guys, and try to make sure it's a little, like, the line is a little straight. And we're just gonna edge and brush that up out of the ponytail so we could start to edge and mold the ponytail up. Make sure you wait to the end of this video so I can show you how to wrap the hair correctly and the baby hair process. So now we're going in with our handy dandy gorilla snot, you guys. And I had this for a long time. So these two together work on my hair as a dream. Of course, my baby came in the video, you guys. He always. If you don't see no video, just know I have 2 kids, okay? These kids, look at him. Look at him. What is he crying for? Nothing. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, but let's get back to this tutorial. And yeah, so now I'm taking this edge control that I love so much, and we're just gonna put this all over our hair, not our baby hairs yet, just to mold our hair, because you know this is a heatless ponytail and we do not want to put too much heat to our hair. We just want to mold it and make it very straight, you guys. Okay, so this is part of the important part, and make sure you guys stay to the end, because you know the wrapping of the weave is something else. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you won't miss a video, you guys. So now we're just going to be going in with our gorilla snot, and we're going to be using that much, and we're just going to be putting that all over our hair and really rubbing that in so it could be very straight and slick. Now we're going in with the spritz to just keep that hold and keep that kind of, you know, hard. And we're just going to brush that all in and redo our ponytail. So you guys, now it's time to swerve the baby hairs. Now, it's different from swerving like baby hairs on a wig. So you just have to get comfortable and go of how you feel. So this baby hair brush, I believe, is from Temu, y'all. Yes, get you some Temu, okay? And I'm just gonna swerve and push out my baby hairs and try to, get it together. So just watch me work, y'all. Watch me work. I feel like the best way to do your baby hairs is if you brush them and then you go over it with your finger. So you kind of want to brush and then go over it with your finger, if that makes sense. And I feel like that's the easiest way. And me, I like to do this swerve right here and then another swerve going that way. I don't know why. That's just my choice of baby hair at the time. I've been doing this choice of baby hair for a little minute now. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's cute. Like, comment down below if you think this swerve of baby hair is cute, or I need to just go back to the regular. Like, look at this swerve. We just gonna swerve it up, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and wait to the end because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this glueless, heatless ponytail. Remember, the hard part is the hair, getting the hair to wrap and go the way you need it to go. So I have some tips and tricks on that to assure you your ponytail laid for the gods, okay? Period. Okay, you guys, so now we're getting this hair. I got it from the beauty supply for like $14, I believe. And anytime I want my little ponytails, that's where I'm gonna go get my hair. Okay, so y'all ready for this glueless, heatless method, right? So you grab some bobby pins, right? Because this is the key. The bobby pins. We take the bobby pin out and we're gonna have the tracks like layered. It's gonna be split into two, and then we're gonna put the bobby pin through the track, right? Hook it in, right? And then we're gonna braid my hair because my hair couldn't go like how it is. I don't know why I left it like that. We have to braid the hair in like a braid. It's gonna come on right now, because there's no way I could have did it with that ponytail, girl. What you doing? So I braided the hair up. You get what I'm saying? So it could kind of stand up and anchor the hair. So when you put the bobby pin, it has enough room. Now, you don't want to stick your hair with these bobby pins. So be very careful because that's very painful, you guys. So you roll it up into like a little kind of hot dog little thing going on. And you put the bobby pin through the braid to stick it down. And that is going to be our anchor to wrap around the tracks, you guys. Do you get me? You got me. All right. So now we're going to put that bobby pin that we just hooked through the tracks, and we're going to stick that in straight through the braid, you guys. Okay, so you see that bobby pin still sticking out there. You do not want to hurt your head or put it too low. And now we're going to start the wrapping process, you guys. Now you want to listen very carefully to this wrapping process because you can easily mess this ponytail up, which I did. That's why I did not come out with this video. I did a video and it did not come out right. You have to literally have the hair going back into like a ponytail. Like it cannot be like, yeah, you guys, so it cannot be going in every direction. Make sure that all the hair is going back into that ponytail, because if that hair is like hanging down going every which way, it is not gonna lay right. So you want to kind of go with the ponytail and make sure the hair is pushed back into like a ponytail. I hope y'all understand this. I usually learn by just looking and, you know, doing it myself. But you guys, just make sure the hair is going all back, and your hands is gonna hurt because you can't just wrap it going anyway. You want to wrap it into like the ponytail how it's gonna be. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But you guys seeing it also. You get what I'm saying? So when you wrap, you want to wrap the hair in the direction that you want the ponytail to be. You want to take another bobby pin and just hook it in to that braid, so we could just, you know, create an anchor so it won't all loose out, because sometimes the tracks just get loose and it all looses out. You don't want that. So you want to hook the hair into the bobby pin and kind of put it into the braid, you guys, just like how I'm doing so. Okay, and then you want to continue wrapping, but as you see, I'm wrapping, the hair is going in a backwards position. So you want to make sure and just wrap in that kind of way. Do not wrap in the other direction, because it's not gonna wrap properly, you guys. Like, you see how I'm messing up a little bit? You want to make sure that every track is onto that braid, and you want to continue wrapping. You guys, just continue wrapping until it's done. And I hope you guys understand. Comment down below if you don't. I will kindly answer any questions you have here, you know, but just make sure you wrap the hair away from your face direction, because wherever you wrap the hair, that's how it's gonna lay. So yeah. Whew. That was, you know, yeah. So after that, we're just gonna anchor the hair, and we're gonna just make that, you know, ponytail, you know, part. So we're gonna just put some edge control on this little piece we have here, and just wrap that around. So that will be like our anchor to, you know, the ponytail, because as you can see, it's very loose. But as soon as you put and wrap this anchor around the ponytail, you guys, it becomes like a ponytail. Then you start seeing the ponytail. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Okay, because yeah, I'm watching. But you want to kind of hold that hair up, detangle that, you know, make sure the hair is how you want it before you know, anchor this, because we're going to be putting edge control on this small left out part piece that you see here in my mouth. And we're gonna literally, you see some of the hair feels like it's out. You just want to move the hair around. This is curly hair, so it's definitely not gonna show as much, but you know, it's not gonna be perfect. It's a ponytail. Okay, and we're gonna go in with that same edge control that we went in with in the beginning, you guys, and we're gonna just put some on this part right here. Now this part has to be sleek, okay, like very sleek, because this is going to be our anchor, like I said, to this ponytail. And when you put this anchor, the ponytail is going to sit up properly. It's just going to look like a ponytail, because it actually like squeezes everything together, which I love. Okay, now I'm going in with the spritz, you guys, and just trying to spray it and wrap this piece around. And as you can see, it's looking better as soon as you start anchoring and wrapping that last piece, you know? So you just want to spray and keep trying to make it as slick and straight as possible. So it's just going to be a, you know, beautiful ponytail, you guys. Very beautiful ponytail. I love ponytails. Like, it's my favorite hairstyles. Like, when I don't have my wig on or if my hair's not done. And I'm actually not going to put a bobby pin in that part because I feel like it hurts my head, you guys. Anything that hurts my head, like, I don't like headaches. And I just wrap it around and tuck it in and leave it like that, you know? So we're just gonna push the hair back, and that is your glueless, heatless, okay, timeless ponytail, classic ponytail, okay? Like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like, this look, this hairstyle is one of my go-tos, and I feel like it's good for every day when you need something to just throw on, you know, whenever. Like, I really like this hairstyle. You could let it dry for a couple of seconds and boom, you ready to go, sis. You ready to go. So that's really it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching my channel, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe already. And let me get some video ideas of what I should do next, you guys. Like, let me know. Okay, so this is the ending result of this ponytail. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can fully see the back and everything. Yes, yes, yes. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys.